The L2000 has an LCD screen to display information. A long press of the power button turns the Landroid on or off and activates the display. The arrow buttons are used to make menu selections, and pressing the OK button activates the selection. The return button moves you back to the previous menu. The start button, followed by the OK button, starts the Landroid mowing. And the home button, followed by the OK button, tells the Landroid to return home to its base plate. Finally, the large red button with stop on it is a safety feature for anyone to quickly stop and immobilize the robot mower. Use the left or right arrow buttons to access the advanced menus. General Settings lets you set the language, date and time, and links your Landroid mobot mower to your mobile. Working Time lets you set what days and what time the Landroid should work, and Security lets you change your PIN code. To get the Landroid started for the first time, give the power button a long press. Enter the default PIN code found in your user manual using the arrow buttons, selecting the correct code and then pressing the right arrow to bring up the main menu. The first thing you should do is secure your Landroid by changing the default PIN code. Use the arrow buttons to highlight the security icon and press OK. Press OK and enter the old PIN code using the arrow buttons. Now enter a new PIN code. Repeat to confirm the new PIN. The display confirms the new PIN has been successful. Press the right arrow to return to the main menu. To set the date and time, highlight the General Settings icon and press OK. Use the arrows to highlight the Set Date and Time option and press OK. Use the OK button to activate the year field, which starts to flash. Use the up and down arrows to select the year and then press OK to confirm. Now use the arrow buttons to move to the next field. Use the OK button to activate the month, which starts to flash. Again, use the up and down arrows to select the correct month and then press OK to confirm. Carry on setting the day and hour and minutes in the same manner. Once you've finished, press return twice to return to the main menu. Highlight the work time icon and press OK. Use the arrow buttons to select the Customize Work Time option and press OK. Select the day you wish to change and press OK. Press OK to activate the Scheduler 1 field so it begins to flash. Press the up arrow to activate. Use the right arrow button to move to the mowing start time and press OK so it begins to flash. Use the up and down arrows to adjust the mowing start time, followed by OK. Use the right arrow button to move to the mowing finish time and press OK so it begins to flash. Again, use the up and down arrows to adjust the mowing finish time, followed by OK. The Landroid gives you the option to set 2 mowing times in each day. Once you've finished, press return twice to return to the main menu. To get the Landroid mowing, press the start button followed by a press on the OK button. We hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.